So, do test scores still matter in college admissions?
It doesn't matter!
Short answer, yes, but the full story is a bit more nuanced. Let's break it down. Academic readiness. Test scores give colleges a quick standardized snapshot of how ready you are for college level reading, writing, and math, especially if your school doesn't offer AP or IB. Context matters. A 1400 SAT score means something different depending on your GPA, the difficulty of your classes, and the competitiveness of your school. Schools look at how you earned your score, not just the number. The threshold rule. At selective schools, there's often a score range that puts you in the academically qualified bucket. Once you're in that range, other parts of your application, like essays and extracurriculars, become way more important. GPA backup. A strong test score can reinforce a high GPA, showing that your academic ability isn't just grade inflation. GPA rescue. If your GPA is a bit lower than you'd like, a stellar test score can help balance it out, but it won't erase red flags completely. Scholarships. Even test-optional schools often use SAT or ACT scores for merit-based scholarships. A high score can literally save you thousands. Program-specific pressure. Planning to apply for competitive majors like engineering, CS, or business? These programs often care more about your math score specifically, even at test-optional schools. Test-optional versus test-blind. Test-optional, your score is reviewed if submitted. If it's strong, mid 50% or higher, submit it. Test-blind, they won't look at your score at all, so don't bother sending it. The applicant pool game. Your score is measured not just in isolation, but against other applicants. If everyone else is submitting a 1500 plus, that 1270 might hurt more than help. It's just one piece. At the end of the day, colleges use a holistic review. Your test score is just one part, alongside GPA, course load, extracurriculars, essays, and recommendations. So here's the bottom line. Strong test scores can still open doors, especially for scholarships, STEM programs, or competitive schools. But they're never the whole story. Think of them as a bonus, not a deal breaker.